Virat Kohli's disappointing form continues as he scores just 5 runs against Australia. Dismissed by Josh Hazlewood. Cheteshwar Pujara criticized Kohli's stance, suggesting he should have played closer to the crease. Kohli's recent record shows only 3 Test hundreds in the last 5 years. KL Rahul's controversial dismissal during the Perth Test has drawn criticism. Third umpire Richard Illingworth's quick decision, without reviewing multiple angles, has been deemed shocking by former players. They argue that the dismissal should have favored the batter due to unclear evidence. Virat Kohli's disappointing start continues as he scores just 5 runs in the opening test against Australia. Dismissed by a rising delivery from Josh Hazlewood, Kohli's form raises concerns, further highlighted by Cheteshwar Pujara's commentary on his batting stance. As the Border Gavaskar Trophy kicks off in Perth, former cricketer Wasim Akram highlights fast bowlers Pat Cummins and Jasprit Bumrah as key performers. Both captains will need to inspire their teams, making their contributions pivotal in this 5-test series. Cheteshwar Pujara believes Australia holds an advantage over India in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. With India struggling after a 0-3 loss to New Zealand, Pujara emphasizes the need for young players to step up in this competitive series. In the series opener in Perth, India captain Jasprit Bumrah won the toss and chose to bat first. Bumrah highlighted their strong preparations, while Australia's Pat Cummins expressed confidence in the conditions. Newcomers Nitish Kumar Reddy and Harshit Rana make their debuts. Former India captain Kapil Dev downplayed Cheteshwar Pujara's absence for the Border Gavaskar Trophy, emphasizing that players not in the squad shouldn't be discussed. Dev urged stand-in skipper Jasprit Bumrah to remain calm as India faces Australia in Perth without key players Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. Former cricketer Deep Dasgupta expresses hope for Virat Kohli to rediscover his competitive edge during the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Despite recent struggles, Dasgupta believes Kohli's history in Australia and the suited pitches can help him bounce back and prove his critics wrong. Australia and India will clash in a 5-match test series starting 22nd November in Perth. India aims to retain the Border Gavaskar Trophy after winning the last 2 series. Key players, including Kohli and Smith, are on the verge of significant milestones. Former England captain Michael Vaughan suggests India's lack of aggression could hinder their performance in the upcoming Border Gavaskar Trophy. He emphasizes the need for a player like Cheteshwar Pujara to frustrate Australian bowlers, citing past successes under Kohli and Rahane.